Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Schefter, President of Pharma and Nutraceuticals here in Fort Myers Beach, Florida. If you go to pubmed.com and type in grapeseed extract and cardiovascular, you will see many research articles and new research that shows grapeseed extract and the benefits of cardiovascular health. I think every dentist ought to take this. This is one of our biggest health problems as we get older as dentists. We're under a high stress job. We need all the protection we can get. So just do yourself a favor, just look that up, look at some of the research. Pharmadin has the highest form of grapeseed extract available. If you have more questions about that or wonder why you should take this product over any others, please give us a call, 800-910-5523. To your health. Have a great day.